Well, hello again. It's lovely to see you all. It's been a while. I have thoroughly missed you and I'm back. I'm back. You thought the rooted experience was over, right? Think again. Before we get started, I need to tell you what has been going on with me and why I have been offline for literally 7 months. My Skylers have been asking me why I've been offline for such a long time. Well, I needed to take a break because of my health. It started out as a simple acne and then it inflamed my entire face. I thought it was just, one of those things. Until I had to see a derm, and turns out it was more serious than I thought. Acne was just the way my body reacted and told me there was a problem. And I found out I was anemic, which was at a very severe level, and if I didn't take precaution it would have turned to something else. So I'm thankful that yes, I was forced to take a break and recover properly so that I don't have, imagine I'm somewhere in a remote village in Africa and then I just collapse and no one knows what's going on. So thankfully I took the break, much needed, even though I was ready to go back and create contents, but life first, So now I'm healthy and I have to go ahead to travel. I'm so happy, so excited. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm happy to see your faces and I'm happy to take you along with me on my journey. So, for those of you wondering, Sky Belle is back. Rooted Experience 2.0. We lead, they follow. And that brings me to our little new secret. I am giving you guys a beautiful name. I've been thinking about it. What am I going to call my subscribers? And it dawned on me. Skylers. If you want to become a Skyler, all you have to do is turn your subscribe button from red to, I don't know, just make sure it's not red. And make sure the bell has a hat on it. That way you're a Skyler. Anyway, let's talk about the Rooted Experience 2.0. What can you expect? Awesomeness, amazingness, beautifulness, grandiose. The last time we went to the village, we explored the beautiful city of Tamale. We got to show you our morning routine. We got to show you how they prepare specific beautiful delicacies. And we also got to show you some of their everyday living, making of indigenous products, shea butter, the likes. We even showed you the one and only safari spot here in Ghana. I still haven't gotten the memory out of my head, and that place is so gorgeous. This time around, we are upping the ante. It's bigger, it's better, and trust your girl. I'm going to take you to places you have never seen and show you experiences you've never had. If you want to see this, do not miss an episode. And to do that, just subscribe. And do me a favor, share this video with your friends and family. Let them know Rooted Experience 2.0 is back. That's why we have a new tagline. We lead, they follow. Literally, we have sparked a revolution on the platform, and now we have sparked a new genre of African village life. And yes, we lead, they follow. Say it with me. We lead, they follow. Become a Skyler today. I will see you at my next location. So we are right here at the Independence Square, and this place holds so much meaning because this is a symbol of our freedom and of justice. We as Africans have had to fight for what is rightfully ours. Almost every African country has a history that is painful to remember, but it's there. And one thing that sticks out to me is not the slavery, is not the defeat, is not the torture. It happened, but I choose to remember and stand for our freedom. Because yes, we did put up a fight, and yes, we are free. One very important thing about freedom is the fact that, one, you are allowed to be who you authentically are. If your way of dressing is not the same as the next person next door, it doesn't make it less than. If the food you eat, or even the way you feed yourself by hand, if it's different from what the West is used to, it doesn't make it inferior. It's just different, and it should be respected, because our forefathers had to fight tooth and nail for us to have our freedom, and we intend to use it. And we are proud of our heritage. We are proud of what we've accomplished, and most of all, we are proud of where we are going as a people. What is the rooted experience, or better still, what does it mean for everyone? Beyond the African village life, the rooted experience means dignity and self-worth. You see, for so long, that is the one thing that Africans have been stripped of: self-dignity, self-respect, and self-worth. And right now, I'm happy to say that we have finally come to a place and a time in the world where we feel proud to be who we are authentically. I love my generation and I love what is to come. I'm so excited for the changes that we're seeing happening in the world. That's why I boldly say to you, we lead, they follow. You see, beautiful items like this, gorgeous hats, and my outfits, all handmade right here in Africa. I mean, look at this beauty. Oh, and by the way, if you're interested in getting these, the link is down below or on the screen. We are gifted, we are talented, we are beautiful, if I say so myself, and we love life. We live simple, but we know what it means to stand for something, to fight for what we believe, and to be African. I'm proud to be African. Whether you're from Nigeria, Ghana, Zimbabwe, Kenya, Rwanda, wherever, those artificial border lines mean nothing. We are Africans, just on different parts of the continent. This is the Rooted Experience, and you are in for a treat. Come on, there's still more I need to show you. Mind you, I've been in Ghana for such a long time, and this is my first time of coming to the Black Star Square. I always say, I'll go. Thankfully, today, I'm here and I brought you along. I mean, if you come to this country and you don't visit the Black Star Square, did you really come? You don't have a picture in front of the Black Star, did you really come to Ghana? So, finally, today, here we are. Come along with me. Let's go.